Awinzungwe. It's that time of the year again when all Awinzungs are gathered in all the corners of the globe to welcome with families and friends to usher in this new year. I want to wish every one of you a happy and healthy New Year 2022 on behalf of the entire leadership team of NAFDA North America. While celebrating and feasting during this moment, allocate some time to ponder on the year gone by and reflect on how to make the coming year a better one, while not the best. It's only by this that we can right our wrongs and get ourselves ready for the challenges of the coming year. I will start by extending my sincere condolences to all those who have lost loved ones here and back home. May their good memories be our comfort and strength. It will be a fallacy if I move on without honestly appreciating your wonderful and tireless effort in always standing and being there for our community here and at home, the great Awin Fondom, through this administration forever, and most especially this past difficult year. Thanks to your ideas, initiatives, commitment, sacrifices, relentless effort, both morally and financially, we've made some impressive strides, some of which are worth mentioning and celebrating. As it is said, there's no better way to serve a people without being closer and relate to them. To continue to better serve you and build a stronger community, we virtually visited almost all our existing branches in North America during this past year, sold our plans, gave ears to the marvelous suggestion you proposed, so we can together continue to make NAFDA North America the leader by excellence. We made it a point of duty to sensitize and educate our Awinzungs on the imperatives of getting a life insurance. The results of which are already been seen. Many have done it. To that, I say congratulations and thank you. For those who are still delaying, we really wish to plead that we be the pace setters. In the days ahead, we will be putting up a data to appreciate exactly where we are with this exercise. I am very also excited to mention that our own structure, Solidarity 200 Plus, to help us better manage afterlife, is in process and will see light very soon. Its effectiveness will depend on our total support. Let's stay tuned and be ready to join it when the moment comes. Times are changing, so NAFDA North America too cannot be static. If the need to move arises, we should always be that moral example and pace setter. So, to keep up with this and our people's aspirations, a Constitution and Bylaw Committee review has been put in place and is currently working to make some amendments that will be voted upon during our next General Assembly in June. Let me also mention with pride that you can now connect with us on social media, via our website at nafdanorthamerica.com, where you can also donate through that. There are many means you can donate there: PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, and so forth. You can also connect with us through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Fellow Mbuwi, the ongoing socio-political crisis in the northwest and southwest of Cameroon is still a challenge. Despite that, we were able to carry on a humanitarian assistance to the neediest in Awin. During this just ended Christmas season, Thanks to your support, we were able to donate basic food supplies made up of rice, salt, Maggi, soap, etc. to more than 1,000 widowers, orphans in Awin. These items were distributed in 5 major decentralized locations in Awin, namely Nepela, Achielu, Neleba, Tanzania, and Atuanto. The joy and testimony from the recipient, tell how good it feels to put a smile onto someone's face, especially during this time of crisis, as you can see from the pictures and videos. They do extend their gratitude to all of us and pray God to replenish the sources so we can do more next time. A special thanks goes to those on the ground who took the risk to assist in realizing this project, led by Ntunkofo Peter Akote, our own eyewitness, Fomba Peter Atemba Pankongfina, all the way from North America here, some notables, the leaders of the various, the leaders and team members of the various distribution points. You are all wonderful. Let me also take this opportunity to acknowledge the job recently done by our Houston branch in carrying on a health campaign in Awin on sensitizing and educating the population on diabetes and hypertension. Our Minnesota branch is currently working on some mobility equipment for the physically challenged people in collaboration with the Sons and Daughters organization in place, which brought up this idea and are currently assisting in identifying the people in need, the individuals in need. I will also doff my hat to one of our members, Dr. Tipo, for his recent donation of some medical equipment to Awin, not forgetting our dynamic NAGDA North America Women Wing, who brought down the ceiling with their donations of food supplies to the women and their families, and some essential medication to the hospital. Our king now has a new right that reflects who we are, thanks to your individual and voluntary contributions. Yes, at the end, the big winner, Awin is the big winner and the place you can be proud to belong to. We are currently working on a health project to be executed earlier in 2022. This will include the donation of some specific medical equipment to the hospitals in Awin. These special needed equipment were identified through the collaboration with the chief medical officers in Awin, Dr. Azar Folemo. Some of these equipments have already been shipped from the US here and anticipated to arrive Cameroon around January or so of 2022. More details on this project later. The COVID-19 pandemic is far from over. We are now living its latest variant called Omicron. Let's therefore continue to be prudent and, most importantly, get ourselves fully vaccinated, including the booster shot when available. That's so far the best way out of this mess. Also remember that our health committee, our NAGDA North America Health Committee experts are always there to answer your questions and concerns on these topics. Another major plan for 2022 is our upcoming NAGDA North America Convention. From June 23rd to June 26th, all roads will be leading to Houston, Texas. Awinzons from various parts of the world will be meeting for our our Grand Jamboree, but most importantly, to raise funds for the development of Awing. The theme of this convention will be on road. We all know how challenging it can be sometimes to get to Awing due to poor road conditions. So during this convention, we will be raising funds to acquire a Caterpillar and other heavy equipment for the repair and constant maintenance of this road. Some of you have already pledged huge sums of money for this project. The fundraising committee will be reaching out to you in the coming days to honor those pledges. Please save the date. Start making plans now, because come June 2022, Houston, Texas will be the place to be, and NAFDA North America will be the organization. Thank you very much. May God richly bless you. And once again, Happy New Year 2022.